Hey guys, it's Kylie from WTI. So if you have cats, you know how important it is to have a good cat tree. So when I went looking for a small cat tree to put in my office for my furry friend, I came across this Babole pet indoor cat tree, and my cats just love it. The tree was very easy to set up. It took me less than 30 minutes to put it together. As soon as I finished the setup, one of my cats was immediately on this tree. I hadn't even moved it from the living room yet, and he was relaxing on it. The tree has two scratching posts and two areas where my cat can relax and hang out with me while I'm in the office. There's also a nice cubby here for my cats, and then there are these little toys that are attached that they love to play with. The carpet is really soft on the cat tree, and I just really like its height. It's about 30 inches tall, so it's not too big and not too small. The overall footprint isn't too big, which is great. It also has a really great anti-skid bottom, so I can put it on a hard surface if I like. And I know that when my cat charges it, which of course he will, it's not going to slide everywhere. A cat's life is super easy, and my cats get to lounge around on this cat tree by Babole Pet. They love it, I love that they love it, and that's my point of view.